Yeah.
If I gave you this disposable camera, do you think you can take a few photos on your trip?
Ooh, for sure. I'll be taking some crazy memories on it. Thank you. So meeting everybody the first night was actually pretty fun. I loved going to the shabu shabu place because who thinks of a teddy bear just like melting into an onsen and still being delicious? Like, wow. I definitely felt like learning Japanese is one of the best things you can do while you're traveling to actually know the language because it's just overall more immersive. Such a different kind of experience. I would love to come back here and do the same thing. And it's a bit sad that I'm not probably gonna see any of my friends very soon unless I travel, but I already know that wherever I want in any corner of the world, I'll have a home waiting for me. What I'll miss the most is definitely everything.